It's raining, it's pouring down. Woo! Man, it's snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and when I get up in the morning.
What happened? You alright? What happened? Brooke, tell us what just happened. Hurricane Ike is moving through the area and suddenly Brooke hit the ground like a sack of rocks.
You threw the stick, it hit the tree and then hit me back in the head.
So what you're saying is these winds are strong enough to hurl sticks through the air.
No, stupid, you threw it at the tree.
I'm not quite sure I understand what you're trying to tell us. The hurricane storm.
I think my head is like.
Let's see. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That just happened?
Yeah,
It's a golf. You have a golf ball growing in your head. What stick hit you?
You threw it.
What stick though? Where is it?
I don't